Hello, this is a quick video on the unboxing of a Ledger device. Comes shipped overnight via DHL. So let's go ahead and open this up. I hear lots of shaking in here. All right, here's, oh, I know what this is. I had ordered the capsule, steel capsule, so that's what that is. And this is the Ledger Nano X. And this is the Ledger Nano S. And this is the backup. These are backup devices. So that's what was in the box. Let's go ahead and open these up. So the Ledger Nano S hardware wallet comes in a nice box. Here's the device. We'll set that aside. And looks like it includes some instructions. So we'll put this aside as well. These looks like a lasso to carry it with if you want it to, and a USB cable. Another device to carry it with. All right, so that's the Ledger Nano S. We'll just put that over there. And in the Hello container, it has the getting started in English, French, Spanish, Dutch, or German rather, Japanese, and some other languages. Lots of languages actually. Getting started. Okay, talks about recovery and your 24-word recovery phrase. That gives you a space on the back to put that on. And it looks like it gives you a couple of copies for the recovery sheet. Okay, so that's what that is. So to get started, you connect it to your computer. And that's what this USB cable is for. So before I do, let me just put this aside and take a quick peek in the Ledger Nano X. See what this is. This is the backup kit that I had ordered. Okay, so this is the Nano X. Nice steel covering. And it also has a USB and a little carrying stick. And that's it in there. So we'll put that aside. And in their Hello container, let's see what's in here. It also has the recovery sheets, a couple of copies, and some decals that you can stick on whatever. And this has a use and care and regulatory statement. And a getting started sheet. So it looks like this getting started, again, comes in lots of different languages. So that's why it's this long. And the first step that it tells me is the Ledger Nano X securely stores the private keys that provide access to your crypto assets. To set up your device, follow the instructions at ledger.com/start. Charge your device before the first use by connecting the USB cable to a power source. And this is the USB cable. Let me just open that up. And this device has a little like USB connection at the tip. So we'll go ahead and power this up. So let me go ahead and plug it in, and we'll be right back. So I went ahead and plugged this in, and the front screen illuminates here, which is really nice. It says "Welcome to Ledger." Press the right button to continue. It says "Welcome to Ledger." Let me see. Let me pull over here. "Welcome to Ledger," and then press the right button to continue. Download Ledger Live at ledger.com/start. Then press the right button. So let me go ahead and do that. So I came to ledger.com/start, and this is the screen that I see. Now click the download button and follow the instructions for installing Ledger Live. So this is telling me to set up a new device, and I would press both buttons to validate the selection. So let me go ahead and do that. Choose PIN with 4 to 8 digits. So when it has you choose a PIN, there'll be an up arrow and a down arrow and an up arrow, where you'll navigate up and down to choose the number that you want for your PIN. It says use buttons to navigate menus and lists. So it's telling me what to do here. And it's also telling me to select both buttons. Press both buttons to select. What I'm doing is I'm hitting the right button to navigate through all of the instructions. More. So I'll continue navigating to the right, pressing the right button. It says Start Ledger Live for help during setup. And then it says Setup as a new device. Restore from recovery phrase. Remember both buttons to select. You press both buttons to select, confirm, or cancel. So there are 2 buttons on here, one here and one here. And I would press both to select, confirm, or cancel. So I'm continuing to press the right button to navigate through the menu. And I think I'm on the last menu item. There's no more chevrons on the right-hand side. It says press both buttons to select confirm, or cancel. I can hit the left button to navigate backwards. If I click on Add Account and type OMG, it says Ethereum. And if I click on this, it says OMG is a ERC20 token. You can receive tokens directly on an Ethereum account. So I click Receive. It's going to be an Ethereum. I click Continue. And then I just copy this address. And on my Ledger Nano, it's asking me to verify. So I just go ahead and I verify on the Nano. By clicking on the right button, I see the address matches what I see on my screen. And I click on the right button again, and then I click both buttons to approve. And if I need to re-verify, I can always hit the back button. So I've copied this address. This is where I want to receive the OMG. And then I come into my Binance exchange where I have it, and I click on Withdraw. So the 3 dots over here, and then I select Withdraw. off. So once I click withdraw, it pops up this window, and I put in the ledger recipient address, which I copied, and I want to transfer what I have on the exchange. So I just clicked on max, and it's going to automatically calculate everything that I have. And preview withdrawal. So this is the ledger account. This is where it currently is. This is what I'm withdrawing. And this is the estimated fee. I'll click confirm withdrawal. And it sent me a text message. And then hit done. So I'm going to go to the email confirmation. And it tells me my withdrawal was submitted. Yoo-hoo! I know this will take a few minutes. It's not instantaneous.